Today, we're going to go over humidity levels in our home during the winter, what you can do for setting the optimal levels, and how to control those. Us here in the winters, sadly in the Midwest, we do get extremely dry. That's just because all the moisture disappears out of the air. You'll start to notice that it's way too dry in the home. Floors will crack, dry itchy skin, static electricity buildup. You start to notice a lot of dust buildup in the winter, nosebleeds, start getting allergies. So adding a whole home humidifier is going to allow you to control the humidity level in your home during the winter, because we're going to be able to add humidity. Humid air feels a whole lot warmer. It allows you to set your thermostat a couple of degrees lower, which will drop your furnace usage, keep you comfortable, and it also drops your energy cost. Having the correct humidity in your home is going to help your skin. Your nasal passages are going to stay moist. For homeowners out there with longer hair, it's going to help it look luscious and flowy. So there's quite a few things homeowners can do at home just to make sure that everything's working properly. On your humidistat, basically like your thermostat, it allows you to turn a knob to set it the specific setting that you want it to control the humidity in the home. Normal range is going to be set anywhere from 35 to 45 in the winter. That's how much humidity you're creating in the home, is 35 to 45%. If you're ever going to change the humidifier water panel by yourself, then it's pretty simple. So all you're going to want to do is move this gray hose out of the way. And then it's got two knobs on the side that you can grab. Go ahead and pull both of those out and pull the whole tray. And then lift the little top here. I'm gonna take this off. Make sure you don't throw this away because you're gonna need it. And then go ahead and pull the old water panel out. Grab your new one. And when you go to put the new one in, you always wanna make sure that this spray paint is always on top. So go ahead and slide this back in. Put the top back on, and then make sure this side that the hose goes into is facing towards the front. And then when you put the tray back in there, you're going to want to hear two clicks. 1, 2. And then go ahead and put the gray hose back in there. Make sure you get it in this little notch here. Go ahead and open up that damper and put the door back on. The humidifier has a bypass damper that we close and open depending on the seasons. In the winter months, we open it to allow that airflow to create the humidity. It'll actually say winter or summer, so that way it's easy for you to tell which side you need it on. So signs that a homeowner should call for professional help are you don't have water flow, or your drain lines are clogged up and you're starting to see water all over the floor. Best thing to do would be to call Anthony. It would be for us to come out and make sure that everything's working okay and just that no other water damage was done to your HVAC system.